Section 2.5, 2.6. Example 6. The Student Council decides to form a subcommittee of 5 members to plan their Christmas concert. There are a total of 11 student members, including 5 male and 6 female. Determine how many ways the subcommittee can consist of exactly 3 females. So in order to have exactly 3 females, we would need 3 females and 2 males to make up the 5-person committee. There are 6 females to choose 3. And so we multiply. There are 5 males and we want to choose 2. 6 choose 3 is 20 times 5 choose 2 is 10. There are 200 ways to have exactly 3 females. Moving on to part B. Determine how many ways the subcommittee can consist of at least 3 females. In this case, we need to consider a number of cases. We can have exactly 3 females, so we would have 3 females and 2 males. Or we can have a committee with 4 females and 1 male. Or, case 3, we can have 5 females and 0 males to make up the 5-person committee. So looking at each individual case, we find the number of ways. To find the total, we then add the number of cases together. 3 female, there are 6 females to choose from, we want 3. And of the 5 males, we want to choose 2. 6 choose 4 times 5 choose 1, or we can choose 5 females from the 6 and 0 males. Just plugging things into our calculator. 20 times 10 is 200 plus 6 choose 4, 15 times 5 choose 1 is 5. There are 75 ways. And then 6 choose 5 is 6 times 5 choose 0 is 1. There is 6 ways. So adding together, we have a total of 281 ways to have at least 3 females of the 5-person committee. And part C. Determine how many different ways the subcommittee can consist of at least 1 female. So we can, as above, look at the different cases where we can have 1 female, 2 females, 3 females, 4 females, 5 females. There's a lot of ways to consider. However, another way we can do this is to look at the total number of ways to choose from. We have 11 members, and we want to choose 5 members. If we then subtract the number of ways without any females at all, then that will give us the total number of ways where there is at least 1 female. So the number of ways without any females is to have 5 males. So there are 5 males and we want to pick all 5, and there are no females. 11 choose 5. There are 462 ways. Subtract 1 way to pick 1 a group with all males, and that leaves us with 461 different subcommittees that we can choose from to have at least one female.